Hello, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2022 Subaru WRX, stock number 7358. It's running from the 12th, 2021 to the current shape. It's an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left-hand taillight. Rear boot lip, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lift. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Courtesy light, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,